over, okay. I thought Ray worked at the deal.
No, we're not the kind to turn our backs and run. There's pretty shapes like is where we come from. We are certain breed and we don't like you. Some are junkies, some are freaks, another directed me. No one will ever know what we've been through.
I don't know. I'm confused. We going up front? I got two guys that went around. There's one. Ron, raise your hand. And then Roger, he's going to go around. They're going to block us when we pull out of here. We have probably well over 100 bikes that are going out. Safety is my major concern and my biggest thing. I want everybody to be safe. You guys all got here safe. Some of you guys rode like hell, and some of you guys probably haven't even slept much yet. So safety first, man. You guys got here. We're all here to have fun. I thank you guys all for coming. It's a hell of a turnout for the Connecticut Regional 2012. What we're going to do when we leave out of here, we're going to take a left. Myself and one of the Connecticut founder, Brett. Where are you, Brett? Brett! Brett!
He might be helping Lonnie take his bike up the trail.
Yeah, he might be helping Lonnie. You can't miss him. He'll be in front of me. He's got a blue Ultra. We're going to try to get two Connecticut guys to sneak in behind us to help roadblock as we go. I'll follow you. All right, you'll help roadblock? Yeah. I'd like to go 10 of our visitors, and then if you see a Connecticut guy kind of get in here, just let him go in, because if the package is split up, we want to make sure we all get to the same location. Stickman, if you see him come flying around with his camera, don't freak out. That's just Stickman with his camera.
Yeah. I'm not going to follow Rusty anywhere.
What?
That's where he's
Where's that guy's safety? I didn't mean to be. What?
Where's that guy's safety? I haven't.
Rusty's cruise control.
So we're just going to have a good time, opening ceremonies. Co-founder Army Nunez is going to be out there. He's been walking around. I'm sure a lot of you have met him already. He's going to give a little speech to us. Very low key, just very laid back, man. Come on out, have a few drinks, grab some food, enjoy the beach. We're going to be on the beach. Good time. Meet some new people. I mean, I think I've successfully been able to shake about 85 to 90% of your hands. That's an honor for me. Meet brothers, man. I mean, Stickman from Alabama. This guy, I think sometimes he's from another planet, but you know, you got Stroke from Florida, and you got guys from all over. And what it's about. So I think you're kind of, they sent you here. Nothing.
Nothing from the border. People from the border that
God save the Queen.
But this is what it's all about: is the fellowship, meeting new people, little sons. This is what we're about. Making new friends, making new lifelong friends, new brothers. Make a chance to try to get to know everybody. Because once you leave this weekend, everybody you meet is going to be a lifelong friend, man. That's what I learned back in 2009 in Kentucky, and that's hopefully between myself, Rusty, Ricky, Ron. I mean, there's so many people from Connecticut that have helped make this happen. That's what our goal is. And hopefully, you guys is your first gathering. You guys leave. Next year's Maine. Hopefully you guys make a chance to get to Maine. Next year after that, if it's Montana, Arizona, whatever, you make go, because that's what you get out of a gathering. So anything we can do, let us know. But again, safety is the biggest thing for me. I want everybody to be safe. Passenger helmets in Rhode Island. Connecticut has no helmet laws, which I've already heard a lot of people say that's awesome, which it is. But the passenger in Rhode Island must wear a helmet. So if you have a passenger, just have them throw the lid on.
We're not doing a helmet stop.
Yeah, we're not going to do a helmet stop. We're only like 20, 25 minutes away, so, well, it might be a little bit longer, because we're not going to go speeding on the highway either. We're going to go a little slower in case we get split up, to give a chance everybody to get caught back up, you know. Unity is the key. We're all here together. We're all going to ride together. We're going to get there together, and everyone's going to come back together safely, you know, well, throughout the night, and everybody's going to leave here safe, so.
Your cigarette's almost done.
My cigarette's almost done. Well, I said 5:40 on the schedule. It says 5:45 for kickstands up. If you know anybody who's not here, who's maybe going to the bathroom real quick or something like that, let them know just kind of what I said if you can. And 5:45, my bike's starting up. We're going to start pulling out of here.
It's 20 minutes.
So it gives 20 minutes to do whatever you guys got to do.
You gotta pee.
Crank up the music, bring bikers!
Hey, Brett! Brett!
Conehead on steroids. Hey, I'll only follow you if I can stay about 3 laps behind you.
I told you it was good shit.
I'll take the traffic.
Oh, hold on, turn down. Hey, everybody, real quick. Theo, Stroker, where's Wayne Ma? Wayne, come here. Stroker.
The ones that walk around on the boardwalk with the kids. Hey man, my son.
Listen, no, come here.
Yeah, you can get away with it. You can wear the t-shirt too.
These guys, this is a special request to everybody from Scott From.
Uh-oh.
What is he doing? What's he doing?
Uh-oh.
All right.
Oh, it's Elvira.
Yeah.
T-Bone. Anyone? You guys
You guys make the rockets?